Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a brand with Adobe, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To build a brand using Adobe, you'll want to start with a clear vision of your brand identity. Define your brand's mission, values, and target audience to guide your design choices. Open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document to start designing your logo. Use the shape tools to sketch out basic elements that represent your brand effectively. Choose a color palette that resonates with your brand identity and appeals to your audience. Incorporate typography that reflects your brand's personality. Consider using Adobe fonts for unique options. Once you are satisfied with your logo design, save it in different formats for versatile use. Next, move to Adobe Photoshop to create branded visuals such as social media posts and banners. Start with a template or create a custom canvas, depending on the platform's requirements. Use your logo and color scheme consistently throughout all graphics to maintain brand identity. Incorporate high-quality images that align with your brand message and enhance the visual appeal. Utilize layers in Photoshop to keep your designs organized and easily editable. When your visuals are complete, export them in appropriate formats for web or print. Now, shift to Adobe Spark to create engaging videos or web content for your brand. Choose a template that suits your campaign or start with a blank slate for complete customization. Add your logo, visuals, and brand colors to ensure consistency across all platforms. Incorporate catchy text and animations to keep your audience engaged. Once your video or web content is ready, preview it to ensure it aligns with your brand's message. Finally, share your new branded materials across all marketing channels, keeping consistency in mind. Regularly review and update your branding materials as your business evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.